going to be using that natural light. Yes, that's that winter sun. Yes. Okay, so today we're going to go ahead and do a power hour on my closet. And then if I have time in that power hour, we're going to handle the rest of this. Doug has been doing so well on keeping up on everything in the house while I've been in school, and he's even moved the bed around, as you can see. And yes, and I'm so happy. I appreciate my husband so much. He is my best friend, and we are learning to communicate better, but we get with y'all on that when That Merry Life podcast comes back on in January. So let me go ahead and get myself together, get myself ready. Y'all see I still got my bonnets on. So, and then I'll be starting, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:06 a.m.
So I should be starting by 10:30.
All right, you guys, before we turn the music all the way back up, this is just a quick collab with me and some of my ladies, and I'm just showing who they are, and I hope you really enjoy this content that you be getting. I am hoping that you will go ahead and click the description box, click the playlist down in the description box down below, and go ahead and play the playlist and get all the motivation and inspiration that you need for New Year's Eve. We're doing a New Year's Eve cook and clean with me, and I'm starting with my bedroom, and I'm doing my closet purge also. So enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, guys.
Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Bring it down. Come on. Blow that. That's right. Through our hands.
Slow it down. There's no need for us to rush it. No. 'Cause we're past the cold. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah. Oh. We dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming. Yeah. 'Cause time is running out. stay and watch it. No. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make it stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high time. No matter from now. Yeah, we must fight it now. 'Cause nothing else matters from now on. No matter from now. It's high time. No matter from now. Yeah, it's high time.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along.
My hour has been up. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer? Alexa, how much time is left on the timer? Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I've done. And I feel like I've done a lot. It looks a lot better than it did before. So let's hung up some clothes. Some clothes are hung up like they're supposed to be. Alright, so we got athletic shirts. Athletic bottoms plus pants. Regular shirts. Some more regular shirts. And then unmentionables right here. This is the bag. I think I'm going to do Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace. We'll see. And then that's trash. Okay, hey you guys, how y'all doing today? I hope all is well where you're at in the world. So we are finishing up this collab with the wonderful ladies that you saw in the beginning of the video. And I am just wanting to make sure
that y'all know we're about to cook some black eyed peas, some stewed tomatoes, and some spinach. I was gonna get a meat, but yeah, I just want those things. I don't want any meat. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get this like $4 meal together. Yes. All right, so we have 2 cans of black eyed peas from Aldi for $1. They were like $50 cents a piece. And then we got 2 cans of stewed tomatoes from Aldi's for 50 cents a piece. Then I'm cooking some sauteed spinach with some onions. This was $3, $2 I think. Some onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these onions up and get started on sauteing these spinach. This is where we come back. Okay, bye.
Over one more drinking until you're sober. You say over, never over. One more drinking until you're sober. You said that I won. You had me lost trust. That city life will make you go. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. Home. No place like home. Make the night go slower. It's lonely in October. Closer, closer, closer. Lightning in a bottle. Lightning in a bottle, baby. Shut it on the table. Shut it on the table. We can kill the labels. Hold me, need me, la la la. You said that I won. You had me lost trust. That city life will make you go. Oh yeah. No place like home.
That y'all enjoyed this collab with these wonderful, wonderful ladies. Don't forget to go down in the description box for the playlist, and don't forget to watch all our videos. And if you haven't yet to any of our people, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to their channel. If you're coming over from one of their channels, hey, welcome. My name is Toya, and this is That Family 5. And we are a family that loves life and having fun, and give you all the motivation that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. In this channel, we do cleaning motivations, we do cooking motivations, cooking inspirations, we do DIYs inspirations, we do anything lifestyle that a family of 5 do. I am a wife, I am a mother of 3, and we have a host of animals in our house. So I really hope that y'all have enjoyed this collab and enjoyed this video. And as always, y'all, we will see y'all in the tube. Peace out, y'all. Love you guys.
Baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew.